Tyler.
Huh? What are you doing, dude? I'm trying to finish a camp up here.
You got a camp?
We're tired and we want to get better.
Well, I need to make some money back.
Who is this?
Wait, bro, who are you?
Dude, I'm the camera guy. Who are
Get out of here,
you?
you clown.
You little C-class punk.
Get out of here. I don't see you.
What are you doing here and what do you want?
I want to.
Hold on, let's hear what this guy wants. Let's get his. He's probably trying to make a little money back because he lost.
Trying to make my money back.
Okay, what do you want to do?
Well, it looks like you got a lot of bikes here.
And your point, they're kid bikes, they're adult bikes, they're trail bikes, they're woods bikes, there's 450s, there's 85s. What's your point?
I'll bet you another $1,000.
$1,000?
Another 1,000, yeah.
Dude, you don't got another 1,000.
Yeah, dude, you write my checks.
Okay.
Like you know.
I know you got the money.
Bet you another 1,000. You gotta wheelie all the bikes.
These bikes?
All of them. You gotta wheelie all of these bikes.
Even the kids' bikes?
How many of them are there?
Well, not the 50s because they won't.
Yeah, you
they
get
won't
the
50.
85 plus.
85 and up.
You gotta wheelie all of them, and I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to do it.
I got a time constraint.
You got a time
So if I set the front tire down, I gotta.
Yes. So you gotta wheelie from that cone right there to that cone right there. You gotta wheelie all of them.
All right.
In
hey,
5 minutes.
No,
if you
say
touch,
no more.
If you touch,
say no more.
You gotta start over.
Say no more. It's a done deal, right?
Yeah.
It's a done deal. But we gotta support the subscribers. These guys are probably subscribers too. You gotta pay a subscriber $100 if they like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, let's do it. It's icing on the cake.
No. 200. We're gonna pick 2 people.
All right, we'll do 2 people.
300. We're gonna pick 3 people. It's coming out of your pocket. If I lose, I'll pay them.
3 people, 100 each.
3 people, 100 each.
Let's shake on it.
All right.
You're gonna lose.
All right. Did I lose last time?
Yeah. Hey, let's walk through what bikes do we got here.
Okay. We've got the 2 cool cats. We're not gonna ride these bikes, but they're cool cat bikes.
Maybe in the next
KTM 50s. I tried to ride that one. The clutch shot out on me. So we got a KX85. What year is this?
2020.
Just say 2023. We got 2022 KX100.
2021.
2021 KX100. 21 Husqvarna 125 two-stroke. Ooh, that Jet Lawrence bike. That's 22 CRF 250. Looks like a 22 YZ 250F. 22 450. Probably a 18, 19 450 Woods bike. What? And then my bike. I'm gonna end on my bike because I want a victory dance on what
I got one more stipulation for you.
What?
These all got to be slow wheelies, first gear.
How in this distance? What is it, 30, 40 feet?
Yeah, 30, 40
Probably
feet.
more like 50.
How many frog legs is that?
That's 7,000.
Exactly.
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's do it, son.
All right, I got my cheerleading squad right here. I'm gonna split my money with these guys. Not you though, because you don't fist bump. Just kidding. I'm gonna split it with you too. All right, here we go. $1,000 coming right up. Oh, okay, that was like 100. Oh, my heart rate's up already. All right, I've never ridden one of these before. Oh, it starts, that's good. Okay. Kickstand Dan. How's it going over there, Carson? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, this is tight in here. Oh, gosh. Oh my gosh. I just smashed my, yeah. Hopefully that one doesn't fall. Oh, that's so much lighter. What's our time at? Oh, yeah. I'm doing CrossFit or something, but more dangerous. I'm gonna win $1,000. Man. Oh no, 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 no. These KXs don't know how to sit on a stand. I'm gonna be spending a minute to get this thing to stay. Okay. All right. Oh gosh. Okay. All right. This is what $1,000 wheelie looks like. All right. Does it stop? Does it stop when I put it on the stand? And do the Macarena? Oh man. I don't know, it definitely won $1,000, I think, right? Or no?
30.
Hey, come back!
Congratulations to Maple Ridge Outdoors and Lisa Ramsey for winning the $100 giveaway from our previous video. If you want to check that video out, it's right here, and you must like and subscribe to win on this video. We'll see you on the next one.